Which of the following is most consistent with the Western Literature Association? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. The association claims the worth of Western literature by denouncing the cultural prestige of Eastern literature. The second paragraph mentions that the association has certain attitude, and it says that the attitude is characterized by confidence in their field of study. So it can be inferred that the association is confident in their work, and hence it is unlikely that they will claim the worth of their literature by denouncing other literature. Also, the passage makes no suggestion on the lines of this answer choice. So this answer choice is not consistent with the passage. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B. The association's members do not support the impression created by Hollywood horse operas. The second paragraph mentions that the association has the belief that their literature includes a body of first-rate literary art. It also says that they believe that their literature is handicapped by association with Hollywood horse operas. So it can be inferred that the association's members do not support the impression created by Hollywood horse operas. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. It is the first association formed to study the Western literature. The second paragraph refers to the founding of the Western Literary Association, but the passage makes no suggestion that it is the first association that is formed in order to study the Western literature. So this answer choice is not consistent with the passage. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice D. Excellent novels and poems written about the harsh plains. The first paragraph refers to excellent novels and poems written about the harsh plains of the American West, but this reference is not in the context of the Western Literature Association. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice E. The association is expected to become popular in the near future. The passage makes no suggestion regarding the popularity of the association. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. B is the correct answer choice.